This is John with TI. And to have some good options for snacks as I work from home, I don't like to get out that much. This Quest tortilla chips and these protein chips from Quest are just like great. And I'm gonna tell you why. First of all, it's like really low on calories and it has 19 grams of protein. Like, how do you get 19 grams of protein for you to reach your protein goals during the day with just chips? Sometimes you would think like, oh, I will have to get a shake or I will have to get a steak. And even though those are really good options, just having a this chips laying around that these are great options if you're just trying to lay that aside from other chips that are going to be maybe too high calorie or it's not going to give you any nutrition fat. By the way, this one's great flavor, great taste, and just the overall work really good. So this was John with TI, and that was my point of view.